first video of mine and Layla's. We're going to be trying a Blackzon Smyter Turbo RC car. It's the first review on it. Well, I couldn't wait to open it on the Christmas day, that when I got it, and yeah, I had a quick go on it, but this is a proper go on it. One battery. I will be getting a couple more. Still recording, Layla?
Yeah. We've got a lot of Christmas stuff.
Yeah, I need to empty the boot, guys. Sorry about this. Should have a van next time.
Oh.
And this is it.
Mm-hmm.
The Blackzon. Inside.
Oh, I turned it around.
Go closer, Layla. People see what you get. You get one battery, a 2S. I'm not too sure in what the components are at the minute, but I am learning. I believe it is a brushless motor.
I think that's a fan.
This is how it comes, and you get this this wire here.
Yeah, to like keep
which
it
is connected
attached
to your LEDs, and that's how you do it. And what we'll do is that's how you connect it. As easy as that. Put this on.
Let me
the body pins.
Let me take my glove off.
Where's the body pins?
I don't get what body pins are.
There we are.
Oh, to keep the case on. What's that?
Come on, camera lady. And these just go on here. I've seen a couple of RC cars that they've got like a little bungee bit on them, like a rubber bit, so it
so it's like a black elastic band,
yeah,
like that's half.
Yeah, so you keep it with a shell, so you don't lose them really. So then basically, the power on button's there.
Mhm.
You hold it.
Right there. Okay.
Let go.
1 sec.
And the lights come on.
I need some hand cream.
Yeah. I'm a novice, complete novice, but I am interested in RC cars and I want to get to know them. And it's still on, Layla.
Yeah.
It's still on me.
It is now.
So power up. Put it on.
Oh, I dropped my lid.
And we're going to have a first go with it, guys.
I'm just going to chase after it.
Not yet.
Oh, down.
Let's just go up the road. Come closer, Layla. Can you see it on the camera?
Wait.
Right, you stand over here. You stop the road then.
Okay. It's recording.
Record it.
I'm zooming in. Okay.
No, that's on,
Is that the first word?
yeah.
Jeez. He wasn't lying.
That's on a low
Oh my gosh. That could have hit our car.
Try and keep on the car. And then you turn it up a little bit. Yeah, that's on the lower setting, that.
What? It's already fast. That's how far it is.
And then we'll turn it up a little bit.
Oh.
And turn it up a little bit. Yeah, it's brilliant car, this.
Oh, that's gone.
See the lights coming towards it. And then we'll put it on the high set a little bit more.
When do I follow it? Oh. Do I see it?
Good animal controlling this. But yeah, it's powerful. It's wet as well.
I can't keep control.
Keep it like that. I'm gonna go up the road. It goes out of distance, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's why I zoomed in.
There you go. But yeah, it's oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Don't press it.
Yeah, we pressed it. I won't press it.
I'm scared. No. When am I gonna chase?
Oh, wait there. Bodies come off. It's like bodies come off.
Oh, it's from when it tipped upside
It
down.
cost £130, I think. Oh, yeah, come down here to the damage, what it's done from one flip.
Oh.
It just needs pushing back in. Slight crack on there. But yeah, we'll take it to another go.
Ah! When am I gonna chase it?
Yeah, that's on the full setting, I think. Oh no, it's not.
Oh damn. It's already past
This
now.
on the full setting. Quite hard to. Oh, we'll click again, right? And then step the road later. Now, guys, you're still on the RC car.
I'm gonna chase it.
Right, I'll put it on the low setting so I can try and chase it. As the video goes on, it's going to be a bit shaky because Layla likes to run. She did do a good job though. Yeah, I was just saying in the video, it's a 2S
It's still on the
battery,
lowest setting.
so I can't imagine what 3S would be like.
I knew you wasn't, because it started speeding up.
Test the range on it, right? Oh, can't see it in the leaf. The range is pretty good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I just missed it.
Did you get that drift?
Yeah. I think so. I'm zooming it out now. It's because when it was down there you couldn't see it. I want to race against it again, but only put it on the first setting. I'll tell you when to put it on the second.
Right.
Put it back on grass. That black thing.
Yeah, it's brilliant. What are the prices and say it's yeah, it's a good
I want to
toy,
race it again. I want to race it again.
How long's the video been going? Because the battery's lasting.
Well, it's been separating into 3 bits because when I was running accidentally in quick before, when I was getting it to flip upside down, it's already at 2. I think the other one was 3. The last one was 2, I think. So 7.
Right.
I want to race it again.
Race it then.
But put it on the first setting, then I'll tell you when to put it on the second. Don't do it without telling me. Okay.
Put it on the lowest setting.
And I'll say when to put it on the second. 3, wait, no!
Yeah.
Go back.
You run first, I'll get you Ned start.
Again, there's some more shakiness coming up. She's done a good job though. Yeah, I'm enjoying the car very much so. It's pretty good. I need to get some more batteries as well.
Oh my god. I ran so fast. god. I need my glove. Oh my god. I ran so fast. Oh my god. I got frostbite. My hand is because I took my glove off. What? No, let's go further. Take me further. Oh my god. Do I still get money? Do I still get money? I'll eat the first level.
I'm telling people, well, next video we're going to try the skate park with it.
Oh damn.
Yeah, so we'll do a little victory dance with it.
What is that hole? I'm zooming up. I'm zooming around. I think that's enough.
Right, if you like the video, like and subscribe. The Layla was the video lady today. I don't know how she's done. We've got to check it out when we get back.